hopefully that is our new stereo. So you guys gonna get upset at me if I don't donate this to somebody or store it? Oh, denied. I get this. I can see that. What is that? Really? What does PMPO is? So you know we tell you it's worth the drive? This truck came from Minnesota. That was a picture I put up on Instagram with the snow. There was loading this. I'll see if I can capture that and put that in there so you can see it. But this car came a long way. There it is up at the top. Alright, so this is pretty much the shot the customer sent to us, so he can look at this in the video and see his car in sunny Florida. Let me go ahead and turn that off. Go ahead and turn that off. Alright, so now to text the customer and let him know the car arrived safe. Look how nice this car is. Beautiful, all the way from Minnesota. This poor car left the snow and came all the way to Florida for the sun. Alright, so I want to do a side-by-side comparison of the weight. This is 3-inch stainless right here, what we use for our exhaust. This is 3-inch titanium. Now a lot of people want titanium for the bling factor, the titanium. By the way, Esther's not here and I never run for the phone. So I want to show you a side-by-side of the weight difference. These are about the same length right here. Let's put them on the scale and see what we have. Alright, so we zeroed out on scale. Let's do the stainless one first. We are looking at 10.7 ounces right there. Let's see what we got for the titanium. That is 3.7, so roughly a third. That's what I've always mentioned about our stainless. It's pretty much a third titanium weight to stainless. Alright, this is the V8 S2000 we built about 2 years ago. Since then, it's been a dedicated track car. It spends all its life on the track. It goes from the trailer to the track and races. So a lot of the street features are no longer needed, hence the SE's gone. A lot of the weight reduction has been added to it, like he's hollowed out the doors, took a lot of material out, changed the window mechanisms. So we're building a full titanium 3-inch cat back. When I say cat back, right after the two pipes Y, we're gonna make it right there, the back section. All right, so do you remember the S2000 from episode 5, the one that had the bad cylinder head? Here it is. It needed basically everything. Valve guides were bad, valves were bad, and the seats were bad. Also, we updated it to the newer retainers and keepers, just again, peace of mind. Clean the injectors, went ahead and give this thing basically a full clean, pressure wash the engine bay. Remember what this looked like? Let me go ahead and start it real quick so you can take a listen. That sounds better, right? We went ahead and cleaned the engine bay and dressed it up a little bit. Ran it, checked it, went over the lifters one more time, made sure it's absolutely perfect. No, it idles super smooth. Listen to that. Alright, we'll double check it. We'll call the customer. Tell him to pick it up. I think he's going to be thrilled. Down in there. Stick a little bit in there. I'll figure it out. It's got a smile on the box, that must be good. Amazon. Sweet. Yeah, if you burn yourself, it didn't happen here.
Yeah, right.
It's light, right?
Yeah, 8 pounds.
It's pretty close. I'll say, that's one thing that you guys know. You know why he rounds it up to 9 though.
Round up to 9? Yeah, we always go up to 8 pounds.
Look at this. Guess what we got over here?
What? Gatorade!
What do you think that's for?
That's for the plants.
I think it is.
Nice.
I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you again, Bjorn.
What?
This
That's
looks
so awesome.
this looks suspiciously like your handiwork, buddy. Thank you. By the way, it's bring your little guy to work day,
Yeah.
right? Nice t-shirt.
Thanks.
What is that, a pickup truck?
No.
What is it?
It's 2000.
Nice.